Welcome to Lumii Meditation. This is your space for calm and healing, to breathe and to return to yourself. Just breathe and present. Find your light within, one breath at a time. If you come here today with stress or anxiety, know that you are not alone. These feelings can be heavy, and they can make the heart restless. But in this moment, together, we will sit gently and allow space for release. This is not about fixing or fighting what you feel. It is about resting in awareness so that the tightness within can begin to soften on its own. This meditation will guide you step by step to ease the body, calm the mind, and release the grip of stress and anxiety. By the end, you may feel a little lighter, a little more grounded, and perhaps discover the quiet strength that is always within you. So, find a comfortable position, sitting upright, yet relaxed. Let your hands rest gently on your lap, and softly close your eyes. As we begin this simple journey inward, take a slow, steady breath into the nose. And a gentle breath out to the mouth. Feel the weight of the body settling down. Notice the shoulders. If they are tight, allow them to drop. Notice the jaw. If it is clenched, let it loosen. Bring your awareness down into the chest and belly. With each breath, imagine these spaces softening. Let the belly be easy. Let the heart be open. Stress often hides in the body, as a knot in the stomach, a heaviness in the chest, a buzzing in the head. See if you can notice where it lives in you right now. And gently breathe into that place. As you breathe with this awareness, imagine that each exhale is an opening, a release. stress loosens its grip and is melting away with the breath. Now, picture yourself standing by a flowing river. In your hands, you hold the bundle of your stress and worries. With a kind heart, place this bundle into the water. See the river carry it away, downstream far from you. Notice the body without the weight. Notice the mind without that pressure. Stress and anxiety may visit, but they are not who you are. Like clouds, they pass. And behind them, the sky of your awareness remains open, clear and free. Rest here, breathing gently in this open sky of awareness. Begin to feel the contact of your body with the chair or cushion. Notice the space around you. Wiggle the fingers and toes softly. Take one more slow breath. And as you exhale, let gratitude arise for giving yourself these few minutes of care. When you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this calm with you, knowing that even in times of stress, you have within you the ability to return to peace. Thank you for joining Lumii Meditation. Find your light within, one breath at a time.